Following the local authority guidelines, we've offered free school meals to reception and year 1 children at the minute, just so we can get a feel of how we can accommodate all those children, and it's going really, really well. We're looking forward to rolling that out to year 2 in January.
We've also had to make some changes to our kitchen. We've had to upgrade some appliances which enable the kitchen staff to be able to prepare enough food. We've been very lucky in that the local authority have given us the chance to have this new equipment.
Da ni wedi bod yn lwcus iawn yn fan hyn, a mae'r sir, maen nhw wedi rhoi bwydlenni at ei gilydd sydd yn mynd i wneud o'n mwy hawdd i ddarparu bwyd i mwy o blant.
Auntie Bethan will be able to cope with a bigger rollout.
Mae gyda ni staff da. Dwi'n mor lwcus gen i staff anhygoel yn y gegin yn helpu fel gynradd.
We believe every child has a right to succeed, regardless of their economic backgrounds. Having free school meals is a massive part of that. It's teaching our children how to eat healthily, what is part of a healthy, balanced lifestyle. The children that we've never seen before trying these different foods are having the opportunity to do so.
You know, when they do come in, at least you know they've got one hot meal a day. They like Auntie Bethan's puddings.
We are already have things in place for them and beyond in 2024 when everybody will be able to have a free school meal.